deserve that whip right there. I deserve to pull up to that big house in my name.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a affordable makeup video for you guys today. I've been getting plenty of questions on products that are affordable and also a makeup look that people can do at home. Some people think they could just throw on foundation and just go. So I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible. All of these products that I'm using are affordable. You guys can either find them at Ulta, your drugstore, or Walmart. And I'm going to be starting barefaced. I have absolutely nothing on, hence my dry mouth. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is prime your skin or prep your skin before you put on any foundation. So I'm going to be using the NYX Honeydew Me Up. I basically just rub this all over my face, and it kind of makes my skin dewy and it's easy for a foundation to just glide on. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face and then rub it in. I like to start off with priming my skin first, because by the time you get to your foundation, this is going to just be sinking into your skin, kind of just setting, and it's going to be perfect for when you're ready to put your foundation on. So now we're going to do eyebrows. It's a lot of eyebrow products out there that you guys can buy, but it's kind of hard for me to find a brow product that really works for me. I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Brow Precise. This is in deep brown, and this is a pencil, but the thing I do have to say about this is that it's really soft, so you have to be careful on how hard you press down, because the pencil is just going to just break it. I'm going to now conceal them, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in Fawn, and this is everybody's holy grail. Anybody who has started doing makeup or is still doing makeup still uses the LA Girl Pro Concealer. My shade is in Fawn that I'm going to be using for my eyebrows, and this concealer is about $2 or $3 depending on where you live. So to go over my eyebrows a little bit, I'm going to be using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in brunette, and I'm just going to add this to the beginning of my brow. This step is optional. You don't have to do it. You can just stop at this step right here. So to now apply our foundation, I'm going to be applying the NYX Total Control Foundation. My shade is in Mocha. I either go in between this foundation and the Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation. So either or will work. You can find both of these foundations at Target or Ulta. And you want to make sure that you shake it up, of course. And the cool thing about this foundation is that it comes with a little dropper. So I'm just going to apply this foundation. Okay, so to move on to highlighting my face, I'm going to be using another LA Girl Pro Concealer, but instead of using Fawn, I'm going to be using Toffee, because Toffee is a tad bit darker. I'm going to now contour. Now I'm going to contour with the Black Opal foundation. This is in Black Walnut. Now you can't find this at any drugstore, but you could definitely order it online. I got this from Amazon. I'm I'm going to be setting my highlighted areas. Now with this product, I'm not really sure how it works because this is my first time using it, but I have heard nothing but good things about this setting powder. This is the AIRSPUN loose face powder. I have honey beige. I'm hoping that this is not going to give me mean flashback because I'm not sure what shade I should have gotten, because every time I hear somebody talk about this, they don't tell me the shade, but apparently this comes in like 6 different shades, and it comes in translucent, and then this is honey beige, and that's the second shade down. So I'm hoping that this works for me. Now what I'm afraid of is that this has like kind of like a pink tint to it, so I'm hoping that it's not going to look crazy on me. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this powder yet, because it does look a little more pink than my Sacha Buttercup, and I really love my Sacha Buttercup. So we're gonna see how this wears. This is, like I said, this is my first time using it, so I have no thoughts right now. I don't know. And it has a scent to it as well. It kind of smells like perfume or something. It's pinker than what I'm used to, but it doesn't look bad. So we're just going to keep going. I'm going to bronze up my face with my COVERGIRL's Queen collection. This is an ebony bronze. I also ordered this on Amazon because I don't believe that any stores carry this, like Walmart or any place that sells COVERGIRL. So order it off Amazon, and it's about $7. Okay, so I didn't do a lot with the bronzer. I just lightly bronzed up my face. Now I'm going to contour. I'm going to be going into my ITSMYRAYERAYE BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Brownie Bite, which is my contour shade right here. I'm going to do a little eye look. I'm not going to do anything drastic because I want you guys to, of course, be able to duplicate this at home. Going back in with my ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, I'm going to take the shade Allison. So I'm going to just, you know, just give myself a little shimmer. So going in with Control Freak, which is this color right here, I'm going to add it to my waterline. I'm going to also take Control Freak and put it in my crease. Okay, so for highlight, going right back into my ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. So I keep going into this palette because it has absolutely everything you need. It has your eyeshadows, it has your highlights, and it has your highlighting shades, and it has contour shades. So everything that you need in a palette is right here. This is why I decided to choose my ITSMYRAYERAYE BH Cosmetics palette, because it's a good affordable palette to create any type of look, whether it is an everyday look or a red carpet look, honestly. So taking the shade Radiance, I'm going to add some to my cheeks. Now for lips, I'm going to be taking the MILANI, what is this? A More Matte Lip Cream, and this is in Covet. So it's a nice like brown shade. It's not too deep and it's not too light. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be wearing are the KOKO lashes. These lashes are Girl About Town. Now depending on your budget, you can either go the mink lash route, which you might spend about $7 to $15 on it, but these lashes are $7.99. Or you can just go out and buy some Salon Perfect lashes from Walmart, either or. But I didn't have the Salon Perfect lashes, so that's why I'm applying these. Okay, so I apply my lashes off camera because it takes entirely too long. If you are a blush wearer, which I am not, but I do have this blush palette by e.l.f. You can go out and get this from Target or any place that sells e.l.f. products, but I'm going to take this shade right here and just put on a little blush. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus all day wear setting spray, and I've had this for a while. I just never used it. Like I said, I have a lot of affordable makeup products, but they're just like scattered all over my room. Whew. You only really need like 2 sprays because it just covers your whole entire face. So that is it for this whole entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Slay every day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.